My little ECM drones are doing the trick at the moment, but he's got Hornet ECs out as well, and he's just got a lock, so we're going to need secondary tackle very soon.
Warp drive active.
Roger that. Fleet on its way.
Leave some for us.
He's got a web and he's trying to move to range. But I'm still 3.5k off him.
I hate being.
I've not got jammed yet by these drones, get points on him.
We're landing.
Yeah, he's pointed.
And webbed. And dead.
Leave the pod. Leave the pod.
I want this pod.
He's not blinky.
No, I want this. Ah, it worked.